it all. Thank y'all.
You're welcome. Y'all enjoy.
It's nice too.
Thank you. Thank you.
These very fruit.
No.
Those are fake.
She's tired of them.
The real stuff is right here.
Y'all gonna put it on TikTok?
Yeah, we're on TikTok, YouTube. Yeah, this one is for YouTube, but I also have some for TikTok.
Well, give me eating fruit then.
All right, go ahead.
She's so funny.
All right. Nice.
It's good.
It's good.
It even taste it.
You don't give me some? You guys so stupid. I love fruit anyway.
That's something.
Alright, we can leave like.
You can use those plates or these right here. We have plastic plates.
They were long.
Thank y'all.
You're welcome.
I know they right here. What you gonna say? You would. You ain't turn that effort on. They like to hide.
Huh? You high?
I'm hot.
I'm hot too. Though. I'm hot too. I ain't gonna lie.
What the egg?
It's
What's
the
that?
oven. Yeah, the oven makes it so hot.
Syrup, baby. I'm just trying to shit. You better bet the 69.
Yeah, I'm scared to kill you. Jeez.
Miss Jill before they used to go. You got it.
You been 2 weeks, ain't
I went.
Oh,
She's some more ain't girl. Y'all better. I gotta get mine some Monday. After I take my teeth, I'm gonna get it. You know what I'm saying? I'm not lying. I'm so mad at me. We supposed to be eating potatoes together.
She gonna go to the milk.
She better go up.
To the milk. Thought she said milk shop.
She better go up.
To the milk. So sweet. Should be giggling.
oh, never mind.
Never
Never mind.
What kind of person it is?
I forgot.
What that is?
Shrimp is right?
Oh.
It's my own.
Man, I made a mess, y'all.
Tati.
Me too. I'm from Jordan, y'all.
Yeah.
And I found y'all on TikTok.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Nice. Thank you.
Where y'all from?
Jamaica.
Jamaica?
Okay. Okay. Y'all family?
She's my wife.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what we do.
I know that's right. Y'all got good business though. I
That's what
found
I'm
y'all.
wondering.
Thank you. Thank you.
Family.
Is this y'all first time hiring a personal chef or?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
Nice.
y'all the first one.
Yeah.
I was looking at y'all breakfast bill and I sent it to the group chat.
That's what's
Showed
up.
everybody.
Yeah.
It's
I
nice.
said, y'all, we finna put them.
That's what's up.
Thank you.
Thank you. Y'all enjoy.
Yes.
They good, all right.